What is up, guys? Scares here. Just kidding, it's your boy Eridaus. How you doing? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What? You can't hear me? You can't hear me, you say? Why? Because of this mask. You know what? This mask is annoying. Yeet! Hi! So what is up, guys? This is your boy Eridaus. How you doing? We're currently in Japan, actually. Yes, this beautiful country of samurai and ramen land. Sounds like a weeb. Anyways, I want to start a new series, a vlogging series in Japan. To vlog, it's better to show my face and get to know you. You know what? Actually, to be polite, let's handshake. Come on. Bring your hand. Oh. Psych! No handshake for you. I just got pranked. But serious. What are we gonna do today? What settles for episode 1 for the vlogging in Japan? You know what? I'm thirsty. It's hot here in Japan. So how about we go out and have a taste of the new trending thing in Japan called the Tapioca Drink. Yes, bubble tea. In case you don't know what the Tapioca Drink is, it's this usually milk tea or sometimes a soft drink, and you may see this little egg looking thing, yeah, frog eggs. Anyways, these are not frog eggs, these are, I don't know, let's find out. Now it's really famous by youngsters. Everyone literally drinks it. Look at Twitter. Yes, there's like so many tapioca drinks, but yeah, so how about we try out it too, now that we're in Japan. Oh, by the way, you may want to stick till the end of this video, because it's gonna get ridiculous around here. Around here? Oh no, here? I don't know. You find out by watching. So yeah, the new series starts now, guys, so you may want to consider subscribing, please. Because we are about, Jesus Christ, I can't even see, about 96.9 million subscribers from PewDiePie. Look at this! Beautiful! But anyways, thanks for watching. So, without further ado, let's get ourselves the tapioca tea. Let's go! Woo! Alright guys, I've been walking around for a few minutes, but I'm already lost. Hey pigeon!
Do you know the way?
So here we are, kinda lost. I know the way actually. So I guess we proceed this way and perhaps we'll find something, or nothing. Where are we anyway? こんにちは。一人ですけど、タピオカドリンクのテイクアウトです。テイクアウト。はい、できますね。ありがとうございました。So here we got our tapioca drink. Let's go back and try it. What is up, your homies? Back! And here we got ourselves the tapioca drink. You see, on the exactly like the picture, it's the tapiocas are here. Beautiful. So you know what? Let's actually have a taste of it. Ugh, this should be milk tea. There was like 16 tastes to choose from, but yeah, let's go with the basic milk tea. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's good. That's for sure. But what? We got something stuck in here. Oh yeah, that must be the ball. Yeah. Obviously. Let's have a taste of how the ball tastes like. Alright, we're almost there. It's like jelly. It's good, but it doesn't taste anything, if I'm gonna be honest. It's like you're eating a raw pancake. Or something like that. Anyways, let's go analyze this thing a little bit more. So here we have the tapioca drink. First thing first, we open this thing. Here we go, guys. The lid is off. Let's take a look at the balls, see what they're made of. Look at this, they look like grapes. Look how bubbly they are. It's like a fruit, but not really. It's like jello after all. Let's put it back. Put the lid back on. Yeah, yeet. There we go. Now we got it. Now let's not spill it. I mean, look at this thing and look at the straw. Look how big it is. Look how big it is. I could even fit my dick. Just kidding, it's not that tiny. It's bigger than your mom's. Oh! No, wait, what? Alright guys, this thing was good actually. It was like many spices. There was not only milk tea, but there was a lot of spices in it. Anyway, so let's put this thing down. Now the main dish comes, guys. You know what's been trending on the internet recently? On Twitter, not only tapioca. You see this Tapioca Challenge, or No Hand Bubble Tea Challenge. It's a challenge which only girls can do it. Because in this challenge you must have boobs. Men can't do it simply. Isn't that discrimination? No, this shows how sacred and a gift from God what boobs are. Hallelujah! My fellow men, do you think it's impossible to do the challenge? I think not. Even though, look at this. As you can see, I'm flat as a freaking plank. I'm not able to balance the tea on my chest. Nothing is impossible. That's why we're gonna do it. The bubble tea challenge done by a man. Alright guys, here we are. Let's balance it on the boob. Impossible. You know what? How about we work out a little? We need more chest. That's why I'm gonna work out. So guys, I've been training my ass off. And now, I think the time has come. Look at this! Yes, this is what we got! Now we are capable of doing the challenge, probably. Alright, we got a bubble tea here. Alright, let's see if we are able to balance this. Yeah, just gotta get the proper balance. Oh, guys, are we able to do this? Yay! Guys, we're able to do this, actually. This showed anything is possible. You train hard, you work hard, you get what you want. Alright, well, we got our boobs now. There's a thing I always wanted to try. Yes, guys, this is the power. Oh, it looks like my steroid came out. It's a boy! So yeah guys, in this video we were able to prove that the bubble tea challenge is possible for men. I hope this was inspirational somehow for you to not give up your thing you're doing. My name is Eridaus and it was fun to have you here. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please leave a like and still leave a comment below what you want to see next on the next vlog. I'm thinking about going to the fashion street Harajuku, and that video will come up in a few days, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Bye!